Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. Today we're going to find out how many gallons of water is needed to stop each of these four calibers in a short experiment. On deck is a 25 ACP, 38 Special, 45 ACP, and a 44 Magnum. All rounds are either a regular full metal jacket except the 44 Magnum. It's a lead nose soft tip. Other than that, it's pretty standard stuff, no hollow points. Let's go. First up is the 25 ACP. These things are standard Remington UMC green box. I'm going to keep it reasonably close, about 5 yards. In slow motion here, you can see the 25 slug bouncing around in the water. It kind of looks like a bug flying around there. In the third gallon, I put a pretty simple clean hole in the first two jugs. You can plainly see water running all over. I tried to retrieve the slug, but sure enough, it fell out in the grass. After several minutes, my search turned up nothing. Resetting the target area with more jugs and on to the next one, the 38 Special. I actually brought two boxes with me today, but I ended up using the Monarch, which is just a European manufacturer like PPU. It's 158 grain. I bought it at Academy Sports and Outdoors. The 38 Special, even with the heavy projectile, made clean holes, simple in, simple out, through all 5 jugs that I had in a row. The last entry and exit, the 5th jug, was comically small. One more jug in the lineup and that would have easily been stopped. Next up is the 45 ACP, shot through my trusty CMP M1911. I thought that the lower velocity of the 45 ACP, around 850 feet per second or so, would be stopped with 4 gallons. Be sure to drop me some comments for some ideas about future attempts at these experiments. I fumbled big time on this play. The round impacted the first 3 gallons and missed the 4th one altogether. I guess my position was just a little bit off. In the direct line with those impacts was a mark on the pallet where the slug had moved across the pallet. I did a brief search in the grass for a trail or any sign of the bullet, saw nothing, and gave up. It was a futile attempt. Last and certainly not least, the 44 Magnum. This is a soft-tipped lead round. I lined up 9 jugs, expecting it to blow through all of them. I've never shot anything but paper targets with a 44 Magnum, so I was expecting a lot of destruction. But despite the dramatic impact on the first gallon of water, the slug stopped in the 5th one. The slug was completely flat. This was a little bit of a surprise to me too. I really expected some of the slug to retain its shape, maybe have more of a mushroom type shape to it, but it's just as flat as a nickel. Final tally. So, it takes 5 gallons of water to stop a 44 Magnum round. The 44 Magnum, it was a miss, and it was a bad attempt here. The 38 Special made it through 6 gallons of water cleanly, without a whole lot of drama. The 25 ACP was stopped by 3 gallons of water. It is definitely a refreshing change of pace to be able to fire at something other than a standard range with paper or cardboard targets. This is even different than steel. If you ever have the opportunity to do something like this, you should definitely take it. It was a lot of fun and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you in the next one.